A manufacturing industry has cross-functional departments such as design, planning, procurement, production, quality, maintenance, shipping. Maintenance has traditional and complex workflow. Traditional maintenance workflow starts from the initiation phase, planning phase, generating work order, executing the work order, and documentation. This brings challenges such as difficulties in obtaining time and cost estimates, lack of management attention to maintenance, lack of team collaboration, lack of specific responsibilities, lack of consistent production goals, and much more. byteFACTOry Smart Asset Management provides an end-to-end smart solution. byteFACTOry Smart Asset Management comprises of maintenance budgeting and scheduling, paperless digital maintenance, condition-based monitoring for preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, artificial intelligence-based root cause analysis and recommended corrective action and preventive action, ERP integration, spares and consumable management system, AR, VR-based work instruction, training and remote guidance, knowledge management and collaboration platform. After smart asset management, we can improve overall equipment effectiveness, reduce maintenance inventory costs, increase machine uptime, reduce cost of training. byteFACTOry Smart Asset Management is simple, ready to use, easy to configure, and robust to any maintenance workflow. byteFACTOry, accelerator for your manufacturing digitization.